Meaning of harelip.
harelip,
Harelip.
harelip,
Harelip. Harelip, also known as cleft lip, is a birth defect where there is a split or gap in the upper lip. This is caused by incomplete fusion of the lip during embryonic development. It can occur on one or both sides of the lip and may extend into the nose. Harelip can affect a person's speech and ability to eat properly. Surgery is often performed to correct the defect. While it can be a stigma in some societies, with proper medical treatment and support, individuals with harelip can live full and healthy lives.